why did you ask your boyfriend? Who cares about your boyfriend's opinion? First of all, my name's Leanne, and this is the makeup look that I'm going to be creating for you guys today. It is a colored eyeliner and mascara combo with foundation lips. So when I asked my boyfriend about this makeup look, first of all, why did you ask your boyfriend? Who cares about your boyfriend's opinion? No, but for real, my boyfriend is very talented. I appreciate his opinion. He knows nothing about makeup, but he can spot bad makeup wearers from miles and miles away. This makeup look makes brown eyes pop. That is very wearable on a day-to-day basis. You can be under the sun and not be embarrassed, you guys, because all these YouTubers right now creating so many makeup looks that are so cakey, and I'm just like, how do they even go outside with this type of makeup? It is just so much makeup. Powder on top of powder on top of powder on top of liquid on top of cream on top of powder. You know, so this is just gonna be something so simple that I actually wear on a day-to-day basis. My boyfriend loves this, and I really appreciate his opinion about anything. And when I asked him, what is your favorite makeup look of me? He was like, pop of color on the eyes and foundation lips. So first of all, I just applied my moisturizer. Moisturizer is so important. I can't stress this enough. I found this Estee Lauder sample in my drawer, and I really want to try it out. Oh, by the way, my beauty blender is growing molds on it. I mean, I'm just sitting here taking so much care of my skin and there's mold on my beauty blender. No, honey. Let's try this sample out. I don't know which foundation this is. Maybe it's a double wear one. So I'm just applying this with my fingers, which is something that if I'm not using my beauty blender, I do. Okay, so now that I put a layer, one secret is that you need to build up the product. You never start with a lot of product and go down from there. You always need to build up the product. That is really the secret to celebrity makeup. When you see them on the red carpet and they feel so fresh. So now that I put a very, very thin layer on my skin, I feel like I need a little bit more coverage. What I do is I do this between my fingers if I'm not using the beauty blender. I start in the center of my face. And no matter how much time this is going to take you, make it your therapeutic little meditation session in the morning. Give yourself extra time in the morning to just do this. This feels so good. So don't forget your ears. Once you're building up the product and know where to stop, it will start to feel expensive. So this is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector. In love with this stuff. I'm in love with this stuff. I'm just gonna tap, 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 tap. I'm putting my highlighter over here instead of over here. This tends to make my dark circles look very, very dark. Now for my beautiful under eye circles. My combo is very affordable actually. This Max Factor Color Collector. This corrects dark spots in light version. With this Max Factor, what I do is I put it in my hand. I never put this straight onto my eyes. Remember, the secret is to build it up slowly even if you see no difference. And I literally blend it to perfection. Don't forget your inner corners because they do have a lot of darkness in them. Even though there is barely anything to blend, I still blend my life away. You need to look at yourself close up and everything needs to look so seamless. And never say, oh, I'll blend everything out in the end. No, just blend it out right there. Do it. Just do it! So now that my under eyes are a little bit brighter, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to use the anti-age eraser in the shade Nude. Also on my finger again. After I put it on my finger, I put it on the back of my hand. And I tap, 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 tap my life away. So if you're not the type of person that loves doing your makeup and loves the process and enjoys the process and enjoys actually taking your time in it, then probably you clicked on the wrong video. I'm gonna go on top of my eyes. It's seamless and it's looking great. I'm gonna take my Makeup Forever Pro Finish and I'm gonna set my beautiful face. I never ever swipe this because the second I swipe it, the concealer is gone. So I barely used any product, but I got what I wanted out of the product. Trust me, you guys, less is more. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows because I feel like they're a little scary right now. And then from the Modern Renaissance, I know my eyebrows are a little bit dark, but my hair is very light from the bottom, so I like to mix it up and make them a little bit lighter. I'm using Warm Taupe. The reason why I love this makeup look is because it still makes me feel like myself. This is from YCon. It's bronzing powder in number 4. And I'm going to bronze my face. But I'm going to build it up. And even though I put the tiniest amount, I still blend it out so much. This is a creamy blush stick by Golden Rose. So I'm going to put it on my finger as usual. Warm it up. Do this. And then do this. And I don't put it on the apples of my cheeks because I don't like that. Moving on to eyes. I'm going to take Golden Oak for my transition color today. Literally barely any product. People watching me are gonna be like, but I don't see no difference. Well, you're gonna see the difference. Now I'm gonna use Burnt Orange. I'm gonna put it in my crease, but in a very blended way. And as usual, you gotta blend your lives away. Now moving on to Realgar. I don't know how to say that. I feel like I butchered that name. And I'm gonna never swipe it, pat it. Do you feel me? Now getting Anastasia's own blending brush. I'm gonna blend away my sorrows. Now that we blended our lives away, a little bit under my eyes. I'm gonna take in this color again, Garfield, I don't know. I'm gonna put it on my outer corner. Tempera. A little bit on her nose to make that nose pop. And then with Golden Oak, you know, do this in the middle. Look at that blending. Ooh. Yes, mama. In the inner corner, I'm gonna use Primavera and Vermeer. Oh, you got the best of both worlds. Actually, finger is so much better for that. You see what I'm talking about? Okay, and now we blend. Blend, 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 blend. So my boyfriend really loves this combo. But not only that, not only him, every time I wear this combo, I really do get a lot of compliments from people who are not very compliment giving in general. Do it slowly until you get this shape you want. Okay, So I have this line. I usually go a little bit down, a little bit up. Here's my point. And the orange against the blue is just gonna pop. So here's my first eye done. Okay, this is a spray. Shake it up a little bit, put it on the spatula. I call this spatula, I know it's not a spatula, it's a spula. It's... I'm a little sick. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. This is a Wycon eyeliner in the color Melanzana. Matita ochita pancortoleta. I'm gonna just put this on a little bit on the outer corners because I hate putting it all the way in the middle. And now for my favorite part. Okay. I thought I just cut all my eyelashes away. Now the mascara. This is the king of the video. Look at this beautiful color. As blue as we possibly can. Now for lip color, you're gonna be a little bit weirded out. And with the same foundation I used, I'm just gonna pop that on my lips. I don't know why he thinks foundation lips are very, very sexy. I personally don't think they're sexy. I think they're just bold statements. And I love bold statements. So for him to think that they're sexy is a plus. So I hope you enjoy this. Please, you'll be seeing so much more of me in 2018. So make sure to subscribe. Did you subscribe yet? I'm still waiting for you. Did you subscribe yet? Now, did you? Anyway, join my little thing that I'm creating for you guys. I want to be consistent. I'm giving you this promise, and just support me so that I can give you this promise.